Hello mga Mima! In this video, I'm gonna share with you our current expenses from flight ticket, foods, activities, and hotel accommodation. At before our trip, bumili kami ng ticket sa Sunlight Air for 8,000 pesos, balik ka na, to Busuanga Airport. Upon arrival sa Coron, nagbayad kami ng 200 pesos for environmental fee. 30 to 40 minutes nga pala yung biyahe namin from Coron Airport to our hotel. We book our hotel dito sa Ruel Suites for only 8,399 4 days and 3 nights na. And all-in package na siya from hotel transfer, daily tours, van transfers to and from airport with daily breakfast and picnic lunch pa during our tour. So for dinner foods na lang talaga ang ginastos namin. Our first day tour is Coron Tour. Wala na din nga pala akong masyadong video dyan, pero ito yung mga included sa first day. Pumunta kami sa Town Plaza, souvenir shops, Mount Tapias, Walahati Park, San Agustin Church, Cashew Harvest, and Makinit Hot Spring. We have our super ultimate tour in our day 2, more on trekking and snorkeling. Kaya if ever magpunta kayo dito, I suggested na bring your own snorkeling gear and aqua shoes if you have. Pero meron naman silang pinaparent, cost 150 pesos each. Ito nga pala yung mga lugar na kasama sa day 2. Barracuda Lake, Kayangan Lake, Twin and Peaks, Coral Garden, and Twin Lagoon. Nga pala, you have the option to rent a kayak para ma-maximize ang tour nyo. It costs 1,700 for 2 packs. Kapag hindi kayo nag-rent, hindi nyo mapupuntahan ng Twin Lagoon. Don't forget nga pala to bring off lotion kasi super malamok mga Mima. And lastly, our day 3, Island Escapade Tour. We visit Malcapuya Island, Titaytayan Island, Bulogdos Island, and Sandbar. Sobrang nag-enjoy nga kami sa Coron trip namin dahil sa mababait at makukulit naming tour guide. After tour naman ay dito kami kumain ng dinner. Hindi kasi siya kasama sa package. Day 1 is in Lobster King, second day is Sharky's Reservoir, and the third day is in Pacifico. Naman at masasarap ang food nila dito from breakfast, lunch to dinner. So ayun lang, if you're planning to go to Coron, I highly suggested na go for DIY tour. I think mas tipid siya compare sa magpapabuka sa travel and tours agency. Pero it depends, baka may mga promo naman sila. So ayun lang, dito na lang, bye!